suffer from frequent headaches? People think that stress and loud noise are usually the main causes of a headache, but that's usually not the case. The origin of headaches, more often than not, tends to stem from the neck and shoulder area. Tightness can cause misalignment in the vertebrae of your neck, thereby causing pain. With a typical headache, a person feels the pain originating at the base of the skull and then moving up to the temples, eyeball, and forehead. Gentle neck and shoulder massage treatments can release tension and help relieve headache pain. Chiropractic adjustments can realign the vertebrae in your neck to treat the root cause of the headache, usually caused by poor posture. This is by far the most holistic approach to treating your pain. We have years of experience helping other patients treat their headache pain. Let us help you finally put an end to yours. Contact us today for a no-obligation consultation.
All right, so tell me what's happening. I know you woke up this morning with a lot of pain. So.
Yeah. So it was about 3 a.m. and I couldn't sleep. So my phone was on the ground charging. So if my bed's right here,
when you say on the ground, what, did you sleep on the street?
No. So
on the floor.
I'm on my bed, right, and I'm facing the wall. And then I like turn to get my phone, and this rotating action, just like I feel this immense pain I've never felt before in my whole life.
Did it click? Did
I
it snap?
snap? I just felt this like sharp pain, like I got punched.
Was it in your neck or in your shoulder?
Right here.
Okay.
Right here, and it feels like it's beneath the shoulder blade or something.
Okay.
And I can't even reach it.
And you've never had this before?
I've never had it before, no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did it shoot down your arm?
It shot down about halfway, and then I went back to sleep, and I woke up and my whole arm is like tingling and numb, and it's still kind of numb.
It's still numb?
Yeah.
Well, that indicates that there is some sort of pressure on the nerve.
Okay.
Have you ever seen a chiropractor before?
No?
No? Oh my god. Alright, you're in for a treat. So it happened yesterday.
Yeah. Well, technically today at like 3 in the morning, yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm just totally uncomfortable, so I was like, the first thing I want to do is call Bert. Ed Bert.
Shoulder blade. Can you turn your neck?
Not without discomfort. So
it hurts.
Yeah,
so basically, neck pain and right shoulder blade and upper shoulder pain.
Yeah.
So mid back. Any pain within your lower back?
No, not really.
What would you grade the level of pain in your neck 1 to 10?
Well, when I first got it, I swear it was like a 9 or 10. It was so incredibly like.
And neck pain?
About a 7. But right now I took like 2 Advil, and it feels a little better, but it's incredibly uncomfortable just to sit down.
Your kidneys and liver really liking you right now. Your liver and kidneys really love you right now for taking this stuff. But yeah, whatever it takes to relieve the pain.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So take everything out of your pockets.
Okay.
I'll just drop it over here.
Sure. Like just doing this motion is just incredibly.
The key is not doing this motion. Don't do this motion. Okay.
I'll try to relax.
Oh my god, it doesn't move on the left at all.
You mean when you turn my head to the left?
Yeah, when I bend. See? To the right?
Yeah, that hurts.
And then left. Because when I press like this, there's a pressure on the nerve right there. And it's irritation.
Ow. Like just that hurts.
Yeah, it's gonna. Okay. Any pain around here?
Yeah.
Right there?
No, a little lower.
Lower right
there?
Yeah. So you just burn your rhomboids.
I just feel stiff.
Your lumbar doesn't move at all as well. Okay. Then forward. Back. Okay. Stand up. Okay. Face the window. March in place. Stop. Right foot out. Have a seat. Hold this.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
No problem.
Okay, so this is what's going on with you. Number one, your neck doesn't move at all on the left side, so it looks like you see all these nerves that coming out from the spine. So basically it's like this. So this is the front of the spine. So these nerves, there's a pressure on one of them. So every time you move, you kind of like yanking it.
That's exactly.
And every time you
yeah.
move, rotate or bend, you irritate this nerve, and it goes down your arm.
Yeah.
And then your rhomboid, which is a shoulder blade muscle that kind of connects between shoulder blade and to the spine, it's completely burnt out. It's like there's a huge knot, like the size of my fist. Well,
really?
Not that big, but it's really big. So when I press just a little bit, you just jumped.
Yeah.
So what we need to do, we need to break it down. But the problem is that you cycle a lot, right? So you put a lot of stress on your spine.
Yeah.
So imagine driving, back to that, driving a Mercedes without doing any maintenance to it. What's going to happen to it?
It's going to break down.
So this is where you're at. So you imagine your body is a Mercedes.
Right.
This is where you're at. You just basically burn your body to the limits.
Okay.
So this is your spine. So the foundation of your spine, the left side of your pelvis, which is right here. Okay.
Yeah.
It's like it's bent like this. So
I
mean the right side actually. I'm sorry.
Okay.
It's about almost 2 inches lower than the left side. And if you stand straight, this is like the spine is this is the center of the gravity of the body. So basically, this is the fund, because you cycle, you put too much stress, so things go out of alignment.
I see.
Just like driving a car, how the wheels go out of alignment because of the usage.
Right.
Same thing with this. So what's happening is that now it's not aligned, so you put more pressure on one leg versus the other one. And the rest of the spine, since it's a gravity-dependent structure, is going to compensate.
Okay.
So the right shoulder is higher about 1 inch, and then your neck is compensating here, and that's why they're putting pressure on the nerve.
And could that explain why, like if I bike sometimes, I get like knee pain?
Yeah, you're overusing your meniscus, and then if you run, you will destroy your ankles.
Right.
So you can eventually, if you like cycle a lot and long distance, you're basically going to burn your meniscus over the long
And I'm also flat foot, so could that explain this too? Like, could that?
Flat foot is a little bit different, but you know, in the long run, it's going to cause more damage if it's not aligned.
Okay.
It's not kept properly.
Okay.
Okay. So that's what I mean, if you want better performance, you need to have a better. Imagine driving, you know, like a nice Mercedes that has bad wheel alignment.
Yeah,
it doesn't make any sense. So you
yeah.
can have all the endurance and all you want. If your structure is out of alignment, which is in your case, then you cannot perform better. You cannot achieve good result.
Yeah.
So right now you're at the breakdown point, and you're at my shop. So I fix you. So I'm gonna adjust you here.
Okay.
I'm gonna adjust you on the left side of the lumbar, which is right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna adjust your mid back. I'm gonna adjust your neck. Then we're gonna.
Please fix my shoulder.
And then we're gonna. I'm gonna do whatever I can with the shoulder, but then the majority of the soft tissue rehabilitation is gonna go next room. My massage therapist.
Okay.
She's gonna dig her elbow in. So if you scream, nobody's gonna come to help. She's gonna break it down.
Okay.
And then you're gonna feel better. It's not a one-time fix. You're gonna have to come back here probably. I would say maybe 3 to 6 sessions.
Okay.
Just to kind of get it fixed, because you're at the point where your body just give out. And you know,
is it that bad?
It's bad.
Really?
10 out of 10. Are you kidding me? It's really bad.
Okay.
I mean, I'm gonna make you feel better and comfortable, but you know, if you're gonna go ride this weekend, I would suggest just do something easy, not to strain your neck and upper mid back too much. Just kind of like, or if you can just take it easy and not do anything, this will be better, so you can recover.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Does it make sense?
Yes, it makes perfect sense to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions before we move forward?
No, that was incredibly straightforward.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna set you up for this machine, hit and stim. It's gonna help me to numb the pain and also help me to relax your muscles.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna adjust, and after adjustment, you're gonna see my massage therapist, and she's gonna do the rest of the trick.
Cool.
Okay, sounds good?
Yeah.
All right, so how was the therapy part?
Felt very relaxing.
That's good. Okay, so take a deep breath in, out. Okay, breath in, out. Okay, breath in,
Sorry.
out. Okay. Now go on your side, face me, please. this leg straight.
Right.
This goes here.
Okay.
Left hand. Okay. So you're gonna have a feeling that you're gonna be falling off the table.
Okay.
You wanna catch yourself, so just relax. You're not gonna fall. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Okay. That moved. Okay. Did you feel it crack?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely. That was insane.
Okay. Sit up.
Okay.
Insane is coming up. Okay. Keep your hands like this. Up.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Woo.
Okay. Looks good. Okay. Now go on your side, face this way.
Face towards you?
Yeah.
Alright.
And adjust the lumbar spine.
Okay.
Okay. Keep this leg straight. Okay. Relax. Put your hands here. Don't fight. Okay. Relax. Okay. Woo. Okay.
Damn.
Stand on your feet. How's it feel?
I feel like there's less weight
Weight.
on the bottom of my back.
Okay, sit down.
If that makes sense.
How's it feel seated? And move your neck left, right, and bend.
That's so funny.
Does it hurt?
No, it wasn't like that when I got here. It feels way better now.
Okay. What
Feels-
about shoulder when you move it?
It's the pain's almost gone. Like,
Okay.
yeah.
That's what we do here.
Yeah.
But this is not all. It's gonna get better after you see a gal.
Okay.
She's gonna work out all the kinks in the soft tissue.
Yeah.
It's gonna get it.
But I feel a lot more
more
loose.
balance.
Yeah.
Well, that's what it is.
All
Once it's all gets stabilized,
Uh-huh.
then you will notice the difference in cycling performance.
I hope so.
All right.